Greetings and welcome to this new jailbreak update. This update consists of all the latest developments in the jailbreak community and the downgrade community. So first of all, we will go with the possible mobile gestalt for iOS 27 because this topic is time sensitive. So as you can see this tweet right here, that it is possible to get mobile gestalt tweaks on iOS 27 developer beta 3 down to, I hope, iOS 27 developer beta 1. So developer beta 1, 2 and 3. We are not sure if this is working with iOS 26. This developer might release an app which will let you get to the mobile gestalt tweaks, such as you can enable dynamic island on an iPhone 11, for example. You will also be able to, for example, enable the stage manager multitasking with the same. As you can see, we have this iPhone 17 Pro Max. You can see the split window multitasking right here, and you can also see the version. And we have one more example that it also works on iPad OS 27, of course the developer beta 1, 2 or 3, and dynamic island was enabled on this iPad. This also means that if you have an iPhone SE 2 which is running iOS 27 developer beta 1, 2 or 3, you will be able to get those iPhone 10 gestures also without a jailbreak. So if you are on these versions, please stay put. The same developer also shared a new video which showed that he was able to get the FilzaJailed or FilzaEscaped like functionality on an iPhone 17 Pro Max running iOS 27.0 developer beta 3, where he was able to browse data outside the container, and which includes the Notes app database, as you can see in this video, where you can also see the app data and the Notes app database itself. To verify, you can simply head to the developer's Twitter page and see it for yourself. And once the tool is out, I will definitely update you all. The next big thing for the USBLiter8 based jailbreak is that iOS 26 SSH RAM disk and data partition has been successfully mounted, which was previously thought that SEP will not allow it. So it is possible, which means that if it is implemented into a USBLiter8 jailbreak, the iOS 17 Plus issue will be sorted out and there will be no need to make a fake var or a copy of /var to make the device boot and not panic. Last but not the least, I have personally now tested SurrealRa1n on Linux and it works beautifully, and I was able to downgrade my iPhone 8 Plus to iOS 14.0 beta 4. So if you get to the official GitHub page for SurrealRa1n, you can simply scroll down and check out the supported devices. So you can see that you can tether downgrade your A11 devices also now to iOS 14.3 to 15.6.1 without the SH blobs. But I think the developer should add this in the README, that you will first of all have to downgrade your device to iOS 14.0 beta 4 and then activate it. Once done, now you can downgrade to iOS 14.3 all the way through 15.6.1. Talking about iPhone XR, you can try this tool and downgrade your iPhone XR to iOS 14.0 beta 4 through 15.6.1. But this is currently experimental, but you can try it on your device. It also works on iPhone 11 Pro, but it is currently untested. I hope the support for iPhone SE 2 will also be included very soon, so we will see how it works. There was some issues while activating your downgraded iPhone XR to iOS 14.0 beta 4, but this problem is now solved. And also the good thing is that if you tether downgrade to a lower version, you can also jailbreak it by a supported tool. Again, using SurrealRa1n is very easy. You can use Mac OS or Linux. To begin, simply type sudo apt update and then type sudo apt install git and then wait for the process to finish. then simply copy this command to your Linux and let SurrealRa1n clone, and then you can simply run this command to execute SurrealRa1n. For the reference, I am attaching some screenshots. At this point, keep your device connected in normal mode, then simply hit 1, then select the second option, restore tethered, and then select the target IPSW. So for my case, it was the iPhone 8 Plus iOS 14.0 beta 4 IPSW, and the base IPSW is the latest IPSW for your device. So for example, iOS 16.7.16 IPSW, and then hit the third option to start restore. Let the process complete. You can then use the fourth option, just boot, to boot your device into the downgraded version. Please note that each time your device turns off, you will require to use the just boot option to boot your device to the downgraded version. The good thing is that your downgraded device, A11 device for example, will also be detected by iTunes. No issues whatsoever. Just so you can see my actual device downgraded to iOS 14.0 beta 4. You can see it's an iPhone 8 Plus and it is downgraded to iOS 14.0 beta 4. Let me lower the brightness a bit so you can see it clearly. Now if I go to settings, general, about, you can see the version here. It's an iPhone 8 Plus running iOS 14.0 beta 4. The only problem I faced is my battery is stuck, like it is on low battery, but the battery is at 100%. I have checked on iTunes. So if you go to battery and you enable the battery percentage, it is not working. And if I want to set a passcode, the device will panic. Now as you just saw that the moment I set a passcode, the device panicked. So it means that fingerprints and the passcode will not work with this tether downgrade. So I have just booted it using Linux, and again it worked without issues. Now as we saw that the device got detected with iTunes, which clearly means that if you install any app using Impactor, Sideloadly or iLoader, it will work, it will verify properly. Now if you want a full guide on it, you can comment below. That's all for this update. If I have more information to share, I will definitely share it with you. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.